Hi everyone. This is Rajvansh Mohta. I'm Executive Director at Mohta Wellness. We are fourth generation Ayurvedic nutraceutical and herbal cosmetics company. We are a CDMO manufacturer and our establishment is of 1962. We specializes in Ayurveda, nutraceuticals and herbal cosmetics with end-to-end solutions that is tailored to the market requirements. We are here at CMPL Expo second time because of the high quality conversions, high quality communications with brand owners and their execution teams. Because of that, we are choosing CMPL for the next time. Our purpose is to get the genuine leads, the conversion that we can expect, the high quality conversions with collaboration with the potential brands, emerging brands as well as developed brands. So that is our main aim to exhibit here, to showcase our range and the new innovations, the R&D that we did in this new modern formats. So that is our core aim to exhibit here. So we are here to explore with both emerging and developed brands for seeing the conversions and building the long-term relationships with them. CMPL is a place for exploring genuine collaborations. If I had chance to explain CMPL exhibition in one word, so that is opportunities. Thank you.